In primetime news this evening, JPS warns customers their energy bills will increase as fuel prices skyrocket due to the war in the Middle East. 3-year-old killed by gangsters in Denham Town laid to rest, and hurricane victims still living in at least 8 schools. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Now there's also the Business Day sports commentary and weather in this newscast. So please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.